Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about one-dimensional array, part of programming in C course. A one-dimensional array in C is a linear collection of elements of the same data type, such as int, float, or char. The elements are stored in continuous memory locations and are accessed using an index. The index of the first element is 0. The index of the second element is 1, and so on. Here is an example of declaring and initializing a one-dimensional array of integers. In this example, the array numbers has 5 elements of the data type int, and it is initialized with values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The array has index that ranges from 0 to 4. You can also declare an array without initializing it, as shown below. In this example, the array elements are not initialized and will have undefined values. You can access the individual elements of an array using the array name followed by the index in square brackets. As shown below, this will print the first element of the array is 1. You can also use a loop to iterate over all the elements of an array and perform some operation on them. Here is an example that prints all the elements of the array. This will print 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can also use the size of operator to determine the size of an array in bytes. As shown below, this will print size of array is 20, assuming that int is 4 bytes. It is important to note that the size of the array must be a constant expression. That is, it must be a value that can be determined at compile time. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.